everybody, this is Amy at Crafty Aims Workshop, and I just wanted to do a super quick video. I hope it's not going to be longer than maybe 5 minutes. I'm hoping less than that, but I just wanted to show you what I got from Amazon for my birthday, which was the other day, and I'm really super excited about it. So here we go. I'm going to open it up. I haven't opened it yet. I hope that everything is good. Okay, I got this for school. I had to get a flash drive, and I got pink. Because you all know I love my pink. But this is what... Actually, let me just tell you. The reason I got my own gift for my birthday is because of this. I made an excuse for getting this one. So this is what I got. I'm so excited. So I got a King James Version Holy Bible Personal Reflections Edition, a wide margin Bible for artists, doodlers, poets, and journalers. So you're thinking, if you've seen my other video on my journaling Bible, why am I getting this one? My Creative Bible is what it's called. Well, this one I'm going to not use for art. I'm using this one for making my own study Bible. So instead of using all the notes from other Bibles or other people's opinions, I want to just put in just facts and verses and different things like that. So, and I found this Bible. Well, I've seen it over and over again on YouTube, and I went to the store and I seen it, and this just matched everything that I wanted to do. So it's either going to be my own version of a study Bible, or I could also use this as another Bible garden for medicine, food, anything I can find on medicine and food is maybe what I'm going to do too. So I have two options. I don't know what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to find out until I finish school, which will be in January. Actually, December 16th is my graduation. December 18th is my last day of school, and then sometime in January or February I'll be taking the NCLEX if I pass. So anyways, so this is what it looks like. So you can color the flowers here. It feels like a fake leather, but it feels really nice. It's not bad at all. That is not drawn on. That's actually sewn. That's all sewn right there. This is drawn on. So I can go ahead and color all that in. And then you have the engraved, or however you want to call it, embossed, engraved, whatever. You got the pretty flowers there, and then King James Version, their Holy Bible there, and then this is the back of it. And then you have the side of it with the pretty flowers on all three sides. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Pretty. I love that green. So you have your presentation page. You have your title page. And then your old and new books, and then what's in the back of the Bible. And then it starts out with Old Testament. And so look at the space that you have for journaling, or if you decide you might want to do artwork or whatever, but there's no lines at all. Let me see if I can get better lighting. There's no lines at all. It's just open white space, which is what I love. I'm gonna love that. So let's see. So all the pages are like that. I think I read that the words of Christ are in red. So let me go there and look real quick. Right there. Words of Christ in red. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see that. And they have some title headings. Your headings. I'm sorry, I'm going fast because I really gotta study. I gotta go do my schoolwork, but I wanted to show this off really quick, and you guys might be interested in getting one if you want. Look how little Philemon is. It's not even a full page, but it's a good letter. There's Hebrews, there's 2nd Peter, 1st, 2nd, 3rd John. Look at just 2nd John, it's even smaller, and 3rd John. Okay. And Revelation. Now let's see what's in the back. So you have book by book summaries. So that's kind of nice, because they don't have that in the beginning of each of the books, I guess. So they put it in the back. And then you have where to find key stories and events in the Bible, key Bible characters, important women of the Bible, Bible passages for times of personal need, and overview of the Bible. So that's pretty nice. I like it. Here's the ribbon, if you guys are interested in the ribbon. So it's a pretty long ribbon. At least it goes over to the side where, you know, you want to go like this. You're over here, you can just take your ribbon and pull it. It's long enough to do that. I've seen some Bibles where they're like up to here, and when you go like that, it's already too short. So it's extra long. Well, I won't say extra long, but it's long. Alright, so maybe one of these days I will do an update and we will see how I did the front here, because I'm kind of excited about that. I do get to do some little art there, some coloring. But let me know if you like this Bible. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and comment in the bottom. And obviously I'm not doing a lot of videos right now, but in January, I hope maybe the end of December, I will be doing videos all the time again. So be looking out for that. But until then, I hope everybody has a great day. I hope you like my video, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!